Hey everybody, it has been a long time since I've made a YouTube video, and I do apologize for that. No, I did not quit making pottery. No, I did not quit teaching pottery. I'm still making pottery every day. I'm still teaching pottery every day, and I still love it just as much as I did the last time I made a YouTube video. So I do apologize for my absence. I have been extremely busy. I've been renovating a house, and I did all the work by myself. I built all the cabinets and I did all the drywall. So I've been really busy doing that. I've been doing a lot of fishing. And then on top of that, my camera broke. So I'm on the phone today, using my phone to video, but I'm really just excited to make some new videos and to be back in the YouTube game. So I'm coming to you today. I need a little help. This is my cart that I built in 2015. It's a mobile art gallery, and I've been really loving it. But when I made it, I was just really excited to just try it out. I didn't know if it was gonna work, and I didn't know if it would be getting something that I could carry my pots around, I could pull it behind my bike, but that's almost 10 years ago, and I've been using it every month at art walks and stuff like that to display my pots, and I've really had some fun times with it, but I just never had the display part how I liked it. And I want to rebuild the whole gallery. I'm going to use some of the metal framing that's on it still, because that's still really good, but I want to redo the whole thing. It's just got kind of beat up a little bit over the years, and I've learned so much more about woodworking, redoing my house, and I just feel like I could do a really good job on it and have something I can enjoy for the next 10 years. And I want to use it more in my display for when I'm not just doing shows that are close to home. I want to be able to put it in my truck and take it and use it as a display there. So I've really enjoyed it over the years, but what I'm deciding on right now is what type of wood should I use? And I have two options that I'm considering. So this is a Europly maple. It's got this beautiful, all these different plies to it. It is so smooth, and this is finished with a hard wax oil. And it's just really beautiful. And I think this might be a nice option. However, I'm a little bit worried that it's going to get dinged and scuffed up really easily and maybe be a little bit too much of a contrast with the iron frame or the steel framework I have on the bike and the tires and stuff like that. So I think it could be a really good option. And I'm also considering this walnut. Now this walnut has not been finished. This is just the natural walnut finish and then it gets a little deeper. And this is what I did my cabinets in my house with. Again, it's that really nice Europly walnut. It's just beautiful. I don't know how many plies are there, but it's just incredibly beautiful. So I wanted to know your opinion. Do you think this walnut is a better choice, or would you go with the maple, which is really beautiful and about $100 cheaper? So that could be a good option. Now, I think either one would go with my pots really well, but I'm going to have some news coming up about this. My pots are going to be probably changing. So right now you can see I'm working with a lot of these bright colors, a lot of these rare earth metals, and I'm making these really bright artworks. And I think that would probably go better with the maple. It could also contrast nice with the walnut. But I'd like to get back into making some of the work I was doing in the late 90s. In early 2000s, I was doing a lot of salt and soda firing using stoneware, and I've just been totally in love with fishing and nature and just the beauty of Northeast Florida in general. And I want to get back to the days when I used all natural materials. There's nothing that is not natural about this pot. The glaze is made from ash. It's basically just ash and clay and silica. And that's all the ingredients I used here, which are all totally natural from the earth. No metal colorants or anything like that. This color comes straight from the trees and the ashes and the minerals that were in the ground. There was nothing added, no metals or anything like that, and no artificial materials, no underglaze or anything like that. So I'd like to get back into that, and I think that would work really nice on this walnut. So I'm kind of leaning towards the walnut right now, but tell me in the comments, what do you think? And I'm going to try to be making some more videos coming up, some ones that have to do with some of the school stuff, which I know a lot of you follow me for lesson plans, as well as some of my own personal work. So I'd love it if you click that like button. I need to try to get a new camera, so I really need your guys' help. Click that like button. Click subscribe if you don't know me. Again, my name is Jeff. I make pottery, and really love to have you here on my channel. So thank you for tuning in, and let me know in the comments, walnut or maple. And that's it for today. I will see you later. Have a beautiful day. Bye.